Welcome back. In our previous session, we have defined the attributes of system messages. Now, let us look into the configurations for maintaining the display type for date or period. Execute this, and you'll be directed to the screen where you can adjust the date type for each language. In this step, you have the flexibility to maintain the indicator description and also set the printout text for the data type. This configuration allows you to control how the data is displayed in their different formats. For an example, you can view the date display format in German and observe its description, and then compare it with the format and the description in the language English. Now this configuration enables you to customize the display based on the language preferences. Alright, so this is all about the configurations related to the display type for the data or period. That's the difference you can achieve through this configuration setting. That's it. I will proceed to the next activity.